The white paper of the WCoin project has just been released just yesterday. And this is what the community members have been waiting for all this while. And after the release of this paper, there has been a lot of speculations online as regarding the content of the white paper. Now, some persons, they are mad at the project team. Why should they release such kind of a paper? Personally, I have gone through their posts and I have tried to check to know what the content of the white paper is all about, and I discovered something very, very funny, which I am going to show you in this video. Now, discussing about white paper, as far as this project is concerned, I don't see any need for, waiting, anticipating and thinking that there will be an information different from what we have been given in the past as regarding this project to be contained in the white paper or to be seen in that white paper. Now, what I'm trying to say is this: what the content of a white paper is supposed to hold. I feel that the community has given us almost, let's say 80 to 90% of what a white paper should hold. Now, what is white paper in the first place? Yes, white paper. Now, white paper is just like a program of event. Okay, what the community has done, what the community intends to do, what they will do from between this time to this time, and what they intend to achieve from another time to another time. That is just all what a white paper is all about. And they have, before now, has been giving us updates. Yes, unlike other projects that have been silent and has kept the community on suspense, this project, the WCoin, has been up and doing by carrying the community along, giving the community the information that they need to know to keep them going in the project, showing that it is not a dead project. Now, the content of the white paper, one of them is the listing date. On the 25th of December, they gave us the listing date and they said it will be on the 25th of January. So we have 3 days left, or maybe less than 3 days left for the listing of this project. It is part of what the white paper is supposed to contain. Then the next thing is the supply. A white paper is supposed to have the supply and the token distribution. Now, I dropped a video in this channel before explaining or showing us the distribution pattern or the supply. Yes, the supply of the WCoin. And as you can see on the screen, this is the tweet that they made regarding the supply, the total supply in value of the WCoin, which amounts to 100 billion. Now they have given us this. It's supposed to be part of the content of the white paper. Then the next thing is the distribution, that is the allocation to the community, what the community is supposed to get. Okay, so that we have an overview or what we should anticipate what we are going to get after all these tapping. Now, on the 31st of October, they released this information telling us that 70% of the tokens are set aside for WCoin mates. Yes, they call it mates. Mates are the miners, the pioneers. Okay, so we are the mates, and they have told us that the 70% of their total supply will be given to us. That means that 30% will be reserved for them, and they told us specifically what the 30% will be used for. It says here that the remaining 30% fuels growth, marketing, future initiatives, and a centralized exchange pool to strengthen the WCoin. Keep tapping, stay engaged. Our listing is just around the corner. That is by the way. So they have given us what we're supposed to know as regards their distribution pattern. 70 for the community, 30 for the project team and the development of the project. So, talking of the content of that, what's it called? The WCoin. Let me try and open it so that we'll see what is contained there. Now, I'm viewing from their Twitter handle. The white paper is in the wcoin.io. So let me click on it. Now, this is it. It says to tap or not to tap. Well, when I open this, I tried to tap the W logo, and as you can see, as I'm tapping, I'm seeing 100, 100, 100, and value accumulating. Now, where is it accumulating to? That is where the problem lies. And nobody knows. Where is it accumulating to? Because I have tried to check when I go through my Telegram and I try to open the white paper from the Telegram. So of all the tappings that I did, it did not accumulate to the balance that I have. Now, the question is where these values are going to. Okay, of course, we know the tapping system, as you tap, the number accumulates to a given balance, to your balance. Okay, now if I click on the white paper, it will bring out for me the content of the white paper. And lo and behold, the content of the white paper is just a toilet paper. And it is very, very funny. Now, many people have been so mad about this project team. Why should they give us something like, are we kids or are we joking in this space? Why should it be a toilet paper? Now, this toilet tissue has 3 demarcations. This is the first one. Okay, this is the first one. This is the second one. And this is the third one. Having this one here, okay, 1, 2, 3. Yes, it has 3 demarcations. And, as if the paper is being, of course, you all know what a toilet paper is and what it is used for. So many persons have tried to decode what they mean or what they meant by this toilet tissue picture here. And some said that maybe it's because we have 3 days left. That is why we have these 3 divisions, 1, 2, 3 on the screen. And some person says that the wrapping shows that they are wrapping off time to when the dates the project will be listed. Well, I do not know, but let us read through to see what they said in the post that they made. Now, they said the WCoin white paper is finally out, having an alarm on it, a kind of an alarm light. I don't know what it's called. If you know, please drop it in the comment section, just like an ambulance or maybe a siren. Yes, a siren. Then here it says, mate, you've been asking, waiting, and speculating, and the time has finally come. The most anticipated document in WCoin history is live. Now, they say that it is live. What we have been waiting for, which is the white paper, is live. Yet, what we saw or what we are seeing on the white paper is just an empty space with a wrap of toilet tissue. So what are we supposed to do and how are we supposed to understand this? So this is why the community members are so mad about the project team. Now they say it here that we should run, and I wonder, where are we running to? They say run. Don't walk to check out the exclusive drop of our white paper right now. Trust us, it's worth every click. Now, they are telling us here, they are beckoning on us to trust them that whatever we do or whatever we have been doing, I'm trying to explain this at every click, that it worth it. Both the time, the patience, the diligence, and the understanding. Okay, understanding the project team all this while, that it worth it. All our tapping, everything that we have been doing in this system, that it worth it. So, we'll have to wait and see what actually they meant by this message. Now, lastly, they said, let us know your thoughts and don't forget to share your reactions. It's time to make history. Let us know your thoughts. Now, I've been wondering, what a project that have introduced their white paper, they have released their white paper. Now they are asking us for our thoughts. Now, what do you think? Now, I'm asking you, my community, what do you think? Now, just drop your comments in the comment section below. What do you think about this project? Do you think that this project team actually know what they are doing? Or do you think, with your experience, that this project, or from what they have told us so far, that they are joking? Are we going to receive dust, as we do say, or we're going to receive USDT? Whatever your opinion is, please drop it in the comment section below, because this has kept me confused, of which I do not know what exactly that they mean. Now here, the last part says, it says, we are not promising that that is exactly what you have been waiting for. You see, this is controversial. Okay, this is controversial. It says we are not promising. Now they told us that trust us, it's worth every click. Now they are saying that we are not promising. So that means they are not promising us anything. And I think they have made it clear for some persons who might be maybe waiting for the launch of the W coin, maybe to use the money to do this or to do that. They have told us they are not promising us anything. Of course, you know what the to market did. You know what other projects did, and from what they have said here, we should anticipate good or bad. So whichever way it comes out, let us keep ourselves and our mind open to receive or to accept whatever that they have told or they will give to us. So they do not have much to say. Let us just wait. We'll just have 3 days left. And after that 3 days, this coin will be launched, and then we are going to see what they will unfold. So guys, thank you. This is what I want us to discuss in this video today. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, do well to click on the subscribe button to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that once I drop videos like this in this channel, you get notified. Feel free to like this video, share this video, and don't forget, drop your comments in the comment section below. I'll drop my WhatsApp group link in the description of this video so that you can join my WhatsApp group if you want. So thank you once again for being with me to the end of this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.